Theorem 10.1 is the theorem from chapter circle. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This is commonly known as radius tangent theorem. In a simple language, it says that tangent and radius will be perpendicular always. Now here, to prove this theorem, we should write given thing to prove that and correct proof, and diagram also should be there. Now tangent at any point of a circle. So first of all, we'll draw one circle here. We'll draw one circle, and that circle will have center. So let the O be the center of the circle. Okay, then tangent at any point. So one tangent also should be there. So we'll draw one tangent. Let that tangent be xy. And at which point? At any point. So that point also will give name at point P. So let xy be a tangent at point P. Now what we have to prove that OP and xy are perpendicular. So OP and xy are perpendicular. This thing we have to prove. It is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, means through this point at P only. Okay. Now we'll start the proof here. To start the proof, we'll take one point Q outside the circle. This thing we should mention. Let the point, let or take point Q outside the circle on the tangent. Okay. Why outside the circle? If we take inside the circle, that Q will coincide with P. So P and Q won't be different point, will be same point only. Okay. So that's why this term should be mentioned outside the circle on the tangent. Then we can write join OQ. We'll join OQ. Okay. Now if you consider this point here, suppose R. So OR will be the radius. Okay. OR will be the radius, and OR length will be less than OQ. Isn't it? Okay. And OP is also radius. So instead of OR, we can write OP. So we proved that OP is less than OQ. Now this statement will be true for any point on the tangent outside the circle. Means if we take Q point here, time also OQ will be greater than OP. If we then also OQ will be, means at any point outside the circle if we take and on the tangent, that point will be slightly or more greater than the length will be greater than the radius. So this statement will be true for any point outside the circle. So we can write here, we can write OP is shortest length, or OP has shortest length. Okay, that means OQ will be greater and angle opposite to greater side will be 90 degree. So therefore OQ will be, if we consider OPQ as a triangle, so OQ is a hypotenuse. Therefore angle P is 90 degree, because angle opposite to the longest side will be right angle using theorem from class 9. So P 90 degree, that means OP is perpendicular to XY. So here we proved that tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other.